Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to choose a right foundation for your skin and you should know what is your skin type according to your foundation and what foundation you should use for your skin type. So guys, let's get started with the video. This video I am specially making for beginners so that you can pick a right shade of foundation for yourself, and if you want any help you can just comment below. I'll just help you. Okay guys, first we have to know our skin type. What is our skin type? So there are 4 types of skin. One is normal, oily, dry and combination. So you have to find out guys what is your skin type, and according to your skin type you have to choose your foundation. Okay guys, the second part is how to choose your foundation and which foundation to use for which skin type. Okay guys, so first I am talking about the four foundations which are available in the market and which you can use for different skin types. The 4 foundations I am talking about is, first one is liquid foundation, the second one is cream foundation, the third one is powder foundation, and the fourth one is stick foundation. There are 4 types of foundation, and the foundations are we can choose the foundation according to our skin type. So if you have combination skin or you have oily skin, you have to find out what is your skin type, and according to your skin type you can choose your foundation. Now I'm talking about liquid foundation. All skin types can use liquid foundation. So liquid foundation is an all-rounder foundation. Everyone can use it, and it is a very good foundation. I will give you some examples of liquid foundations like Maybelline, LA Girl Pro Concealer Foundation. This all are liquid foundation. L'Oreal Infallible. So this all are liquid foundation and they are very easy to blend, and they are very good foundations. The second foundation which I am talking about is cream foundation. Okay guys, now let's talk about cream foundation. Cream foundations are very thick foundations. These foundations are very good for normal to dry skin and dry skin people. Who have oily skin type, they cannot use cream foundation because it will really cause acne to their skin. Okay guys, the third foundation which I was talking about is stick foundation. Stick foundation is specially for oily people. Foundation really works good for oily people, and it's very good for them to use stick foundation. If dry people will use stick foundation, then it will cause breakouts and it will look very patchy on their skin. So stick foundation is specially for oily skin people. The fourth foundation we are talking about are powder foundation. Powder foundations are also for oily skin people. Dry skin people cannot use powder foundations. If they use powder foundations, it will really make their skin very dry. Powder foundations is especially for oily skin people. So we have talked about the 4 types of foundation and which foundation can be used for which type of people. Okay guys, now we'll talk about how to match foundation to a skin tone. So if you have to go in sunlight, and if your skin looks pink, then it is pink undertone, and if your skin looks yellow, then it is a yellow undertone skin. So you have a yellow undertone skin or a pink undertone skin. So you have to decide according to your skin tone which foundation to choose. Okay guys, I will share some tips and how to choose your foundation. So the first tip which I am talking about is, when we go to a store for a demo or something, the people always show the foundation on our wrist. So we don't have to try the foundation on our wrist. We should always try the foundation on our face. That is the first tip I am giving you, because if the wrist shade and the shade of your face is always different, so you should never try the foundation on your wrist and take it. The second tip which I want to give you is, you should always apply the foundation whenever you are taking the foundation from the store, and just go out and check in the sunlight or the natural light. In the malls, if we are taking the foundation and if we check over there, the lights in the malls or any stores I'm talking about, the lights will not help you to check your foundation, and you will not get a proper shade of your foundation. So You have to go out in the natural light and then find out your foundation's shade. Okay guys, you have to always check your foundation on the neck, on the jawline, and if the foundation really matches your skin, then only you have to take the foundation. If the foundation is not matching to your skin, you should not take it. Nor you have to go lighter shade nor darker shade. You should always match the foundation with your skin on the jawline, and you should go down to the neck so that you get properly know that what is the foundation shade you are looking for. You should never go for lighter shades or darker shades. If you go for more lighter shades, then it will oxidize after some time. So you should never go for lighter shades also, and if you go for darker shades, your skin will look really dark. So you should go for your natural shade, whichever your skin is, and just match it over the jawline. I'll just show you. I have my foundation. I'm just taking this and I'm just showing you. You have to just match your skin to the jawline and this way to your neck so that the foundation blends properly and you know which foundation you are choosing. Okay guys, so I've showed you how to just apply it on your jawline and just check the foundation, and if it really matches your skin, then only you have to take the foundation. And you should never take lighter shades of the foundation. And whenever you're going for a demo or whenever you're going to take foundations, first just check the foundation, wear it for at least half an hour, just check it. Don't be afraid that you don't be afraid, just check it and just tell the store people or somebody to apply it on your face, and just check it if it suits your face and it oxidizes or no. You can just do that. There is no harm doing this, and you will really get to know the foundation really works for your skin or no. So you should try this trick. Whenever I buy the foundation, I just apply it and I keep it for half an hour, then only I can buy the foundation. And that would really help you also to buy the right shade of foundation for your skin. Whenever you're buying online also, first you have to check the shade, whichever shade you are in the stores, and then only you have to take it online. Otherwise you will get the wrong shade, because when you're ordering online, we really don't know which shade will really match our skin. So you have to first try it and then only you have to order it online also. Okay guys, you should never apply more than 2 layers on your skin of foundation, because that will really make your makeup very cakey. So you have to apply only 2 shades of your foundation and that will be good to go. And if you're good with one layer, that's fine, but not more than 2 layers you should do it, because that will really make your face look cakey. Okay, mostly people, what mistakes people do is they wash the foundation with the face wash and just go to sleep. No guys, you have to clean the foundation with a makeup remover, then only your foundation will be properly removed. And if you will not do this, it will really cause acne to your skin, and in the long run it will really damage your skin. Okay guys, how to see the expiry of the foundation? You should never use an expired foundation. That will really cause damage to your skin. So where you have to find out the expiry of the foundation, every foundation has an expiry date. Like in this foundation, it is written 6 months over here. Can you see 6 months? It is written 6 months over here. So whenever you are opening the bottle, and from that time to 6 months, you can only use this foundation. After that, after 6 months, you should not use the foundation. You should just throw away your foundation, because that will really cause problem to your skin. So you have to always check the expiry of the foundation. You should never use expired foundation. And the way to apply foundation is, some people use foundation with brush and some with beauty blenders. Both ways are good. Whichever suits you is the best way. So you can try both ways. I apply with a beauty blender. I like it that way because it really gives me a very good finish. So you can try way you like it. Most people also like with their hands. You can also use your fingertips for blending it if you don't want to use brush or beauty blenders. Okay guys, I hope this video was useful. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care, like my video and share my videos. Bye.